start homeschooling your kids, the first thing that you need to do is consult any state or local or government regulations that there might be around homeschooling. Here in the United States, states vary state by state for what they require for homeschooling. So that's going to be your first stop to determine what your homeschooling program needs to include. The next step is to clarify your goals around homeschooling. Families homeschool for all sorts of different reasons, and clarifying your goals will help you make important curriculum decisions later on. For example, if you're planning to homeschool a student temporarily and eventually they're going to return to an outside educational setting, you need to understand what the requirements and needs will be in that next educational setting so that you can tailor your homeschooling curriculum and plans to help your student prepare for that next setting. There are lots of decisions to make within a homeschooling program, and it can definitely feel overwhelming. Just understand that you're not alone. There are lots of great social media groups out there for homeschooling, homeschool cooperatives, online resources. You're definitely going to want to take advantage of all these different resources to help you make all the decisions that you need to make to be a homeschooler. For example, you need to decide what curriculum you're going to use, what schedule you're going to use, what other resources you might want to include in your homeschooling journey. Including people that are experienced with this, families and community members are going to be the best bet to having a successful homeschooling experience.